So when in SETU, we are actually teaching one of the, I would say, biggest USP that we are focusing at is you learn 20%, but immediately you go into a hands-on practice on a real problem and start with the problem statement, not just start with jumping to write some model or some code. You toil with the question first. You understand how do I even solution design that question? How do I break it down into smaller parts? And then you do the exploratory analysis, then you go into the modeling, and at the end, how will you even go back and story tell your insights and map it to what business needs out of it? So that is the whole, I mean, it's almost like mimicking how we day to day solve business problem, mimicking exactly the same thing the way we are teaching in SETU. What would be your feedback for that?
I think it's a brilliant strategy what you're using. It's that should be the ideal way to learn data analytics and utilize. So as you rightly said, it's not about learning 100% in initially. It's probably learning 20% and utilizing that to solve a problem. You would see many people around us, they just try and jump into solving a problem without probably not understanding, right? It's very, very important to understand what you need to give it to the business. You don't have to use a cannon to kill a mosquito, right? So it's very, very important to understand the business problem, utilize your learning, what you have, in order to generate the right solution, which is going to fuel that visualization, which is going to help business to derive those insights. They want to use it in their daily operation or their strategy or their planning, everything. That is a complete cycle. And if we can achieve that over a period of time, it is just going to grow stronger and stronger. The basic principles remains the same. Whether you are deriving a very advanced technical solution or you creating as simple as a nice dashboard to help the business, the basic principles always remains the same. So yeah, it's amazing that a student can or a learner can get this approach, then he and she can excel much faster.